Your checkout shouldn't be the reason customers leave, but for most e-commerce stores, it is. Today, we're taking full control back with FluentCart. You can customize the layout, spacing, typography, and structure directly using the native WordPress Gutenberg block editor, while FluentCart handles all the checkout logic in the background. It's modular, lightning fast, and smart. Let's see how easy it is. Open your checkout page and type checkout. Before you even finish the word, the Gutenberg block is here. Immediately, you'll notice the difference. This isn't a preview or placeholder. What you see right here in the editor is exactly what your customers see at checkout. Every important element for a flawless checkout is right at your fingertips. The best part? You have direct control over each layout inside the block editor. Let's say you want to highlight the account creation part to build your customer list. You can do that in seconds. Want to change the structure? It's just as easy. Need any extra blocks to collect more customer information? Do that effortlessly. You can handpick every part of the checkout and shape it around your specific business goals, whether that's higher conversions, more signups, or a smoother buying experience. That level of freedom is rare in WordPress checkouts, and that's exactly what FluentCart delivers. In case your business changes later, you don't need to rebuild anything. Just open the editor, make your updates, and you're done. When you control the checkout experience, you remove friction. And when friction disappears, conversions go up. That's the FluentCart advantage, a modern, flexible checkout controlled directly from the heart of WordPress. If you're ready to make your checkout faster, check the link in the description to get started with FluentCart today. And if this helped you, share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to WPManageNinja for more practical WordPress power tips.